The landscape of electric vehicles is shifting. The companies that survive this transition will not be defined by who entered the market first, but by who can scale the fastest, innovate the smartest, and win the trust of everyday drivers. Rivian has spent years proving its capabilities through the R1 lineup, building vehicles that impressed critics, adventurous families, and technology enthusiasts. But those vehicles came at a cost: high prices, high complexity, and high manufacturing challenges. Now Rivian has reached gross profitability, signaling a moment when the company finally has the leverage it needs to accelerate forward. This is where strategy replaces experimentation. The lessons learned from developing the R1 platform were not mistakes, they were investments. Every issue, every delay, every dollar spent taught Rivian how to engineer more intelligently. Those lessons converge into a single mission: build a world-class electric SUV that the majority of people can actually afford. That mission becomes reality in the Rivian R2. What makes the R2 so important is not the number of seats or inches shaved off the design. It is a complete redesign of Rivian's internal systems, from the battery structure to the motor layout to the chassis itself, simplifying without sacrificing capability. Rivian isn't stepping down from innovation, they're stepping up to scalability. A major breakthrough lies in the new Maximus drive unit. For most drivers, motors are invisible, just numbers on a spec sheet. But inside every electric motor are hundreds of careful welds, delicate components, and mechanical tolerances that take time and skill to produce. Rivian found a way to eliminate the majority of that complexity. Maximus uses continuous winding, which not only reduces welds dramatically, but also strengthens the motor's internal structure. The rotor shaft and gear now form a single unit, forged for better alignment and durability. With fewer bearings and simpler structures, Maximus reduces the number of things that can go wrong and the number of steps needed to build it. This is what separates vehicles that cost $70,000 from those that can enter driveways across the country at $45,000. Efficiency isn't just about battery range, it's about manufacturing, and Rivian is embracing that at every possible level. Nowhere is this more evident than in the decision to adopt Giga castings. Traditional automaking involves welding dozens of metal pieces together to build the underbody of a car. Rivian is replacing that patchwork with just 3 incredibly strong pass structures that take shape in a single process. Fewer parts mean fewer steps, fewer robots, fewer welds, fewer sources of misalignment, and best of all, lower cost. Giga castings represent confidence, bold, expensive, irreversible confidence, because putting them into production means Rivian expects extremely high demand. No business invests tens or hundreds of millions of dollars into casting equipment unless they are sure that hundreds of thousands of vehicles will follow. Rivian is committed. They believe the R2 will be the vehicle that launches them into the top tier of the EV market. At the same time, software is rapidly becoming a core identity for Rivian vehicles. Electric vehicles are no longer judged solely by horsepower or range. They are judged by intelligence. Rivian's system architecture supports hands-free driving on mapped highways today, and with constant over-the-air improvements, the company is aiming to allow eyes-off driving on approved routes in the near future. That means every R2 will leave the factory with the potential to grow significantly more capable over time. The owner doesn't pay more for new features through hardware upgrades. The vehicle simply evolves. Despite all this engineering progress, Rivian has refused to lose the elements that make adventure electric feel exciting. The R2 maintains real off-road credibility with nearly 10 inches of ground clearance and suspension choices that balance capability with cost. It offers versatility and storage that support real-life experiences, from daily commutes to weekend escapes. And it includes a powered front trunk, a feature that turns unused space into something convenient and genuinely useful. Rivian didn't cut away the soul of their vehicles, they made it more attainable. In a competitive environment, this matters. Today's top-selling SUV is electric, the Tesla Model Y. That success proves the demand is already real. The question now is who will provide the next great choice. Rivian sees a shift happening. A growing number of buyers want an EV that doesn't come with the controversies, design philosophy, or ecosystem lock-in that Tesla brings. They want alternatives that feel fresh. They want more character. They want something that looks like an adventure vehicle, not just a futuristic appliance. This is where the R2 stands to excel. Rivian is offering driving capability that challenges the Model Y directly, including a tri-motor configuration for even greater performance, combined with a design aesthetic that feels warm, bold, and outdoors-inspired. Instead of minimalism, they project personality. Instead of simplicity, they deliver creativity. This plays into emotional decision-making. People don't always buy what is logical. They buy what inspires them. Rivian is tapping into desire.
Look at how much room is
Automotive
back
history
here.
has shown that a single model can redefine a brand's place in the world.
Ford
Ford had the Model T. Toyota had the Corolla. Tesla had the Model 3. These weren't just cars, they were turning points that ignited mass adoption. Rivian believes the R2 can join that list. The R1 vehicles demonstrated what the company is capable of without limits. The R2 demonstrates what the company can achieve when the goal is reaching everyone. With manufacturing advancements, new motor architecture, intelligent software ecosystems, and a mission that connects emotionally with buyers, the R2 represents far more than another product release. It is the moment Rivian transitions from a premium niche brand into a mainstream competitor with the strength to take market share quickly. It is the move that pushes Rivian from the background noise into the spotlight. It is the evolution from a challenger into a leader. If Rivian executes this strategy successfully, the R2 will not only become their best-selling vehicle, it will set a new standard for what an electric SUV can be in the modern era. And in doing so, the Rivian R2 will not simply compete, it will dominate.
This front trunk offers significant storage, and dynamically it also helps with the vehicle's balance and safety rating.